How to turn the watermark on and off on your Android camera. This tutorial shows you how to enable this feature and see it in action on your photos. First, open the camera app on your Android device. After that, tap the menu icon at the bottom, the one that looks like four dots forming a square. From there, select Settings from the options that appear. At this point, scroll through and find the Pictures section. In the next step, look for the watermark toggle right under it and tap it to turn it on. Following this, when turned on, your device will automatically stamp information like the date, time, and device model onto every photo you take. Once done, go ahead and close the settings and take a photo by tapping the shutter button. From here, open your Gallery app and tap on the photo you just took. Finally, you'll notice the watermark stamped right on the photo. To turn it off, simply go back to camera settings, find the watermark toggle under Pictures, and switch it off. If this helped you out, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.